Hi all, welcome to the channel. My name is Ratnakishore. I upload the videos for undergraduate students of both electronics and computer science domains. In this video, I show you how to read tables from web pages using Python's Pandas package. Pandas is having read HTML function to read HTML tables into Pandas data frames. This function accepts web page URL as input and returns a list of Pandas data frames, where each data frame in the list is a table in the given web page. For example, if the web page is having total 10 tables in it, then the list returned by this function will have 10 data frames in it. It is important to note that if the web page does not have any table in it, then this function throws a value error. Now let's get into Jupyter Notebook. First we need to import pandas. For that I am using the statement import pandas as PD. As an example, I am considering this web page which is having various tables in it. These are all the tables that this web page is having. Now I am reading all the tables into list of data frames by using read HTML function which is available with pandas. Here I am using read HTML function with pandas with the required URL as input to get a list of data frames into a variable df_list. If I run this cell, now I got the list into df_list variable. Then I am going to display the type of this variable. Then I got list. Then we are going to find out the length of that list. For that I am using len function with Python. Then we got 8, that means this particular variable is having the list of 8 tables as data frames. Then I am going to extract all these data frames into separate variables. Now df1 variable is having the first data frame, in the same way the df2 is having the second table, and finally df8 is having the last data frame which is nothing but the last table available in the web page. Now I am going to display the first 5 rows of some of these tables. Then the first 5 rows of the first data frame will be. Here you can observe this table is having total 9 different columns. This table is same as the first table we have in the web page, that is this one, baseline characteristics. Here also we got the same baseline characteristics as the first table. Now I am going to display data frame 4. Here also I am considering the first 5 rows. Here we got the data frame 4 which is all about the measures. In most of the situations we are interested in either a particular table or set of tables which are matching with our criteria. So in order to extract the required table or required tables, we have a parameter with read HTML function, that is match. Now I am going to use the match parameter to extract only the table which is having some text measure in it. For that I am using again the read HTML function with the same URL. Now the target variable is df. Then to extract only the table measures, I am going to use the match parameter with the string measure. Then I am running this cell. Then we got only the measures table into df. Now I am going to display this data frame. Then we got the same table measures here. So in that way we can use the match parameter to extract a particular table which matches our string. So in this way we can use the read HTML function with pandas to extract HTML tables from the web pages. After reading all those tables into your Python script, we can perform various data analysis tasks on the tables. That's it guys for this video. I will meet you with a new one soon.